we're about to go from this to... So if I were doing this look to go out anywhere, cosplay, a day on the town, whatever, for Halloween dress up, I would start off by using primer. However, since I am just making this video for fun and I'm staying home and just gonna wear it until I'm ready to wash it off, I'm not gonna use any primer. I'm gonna use one of my favorite go-to Marc Jacobs, and then I'm gonna come in with some Jeffree Star concealer. I'm going to go ahead and try to white out my eyebrows. Now, normally I will use a glue stick and it works best, but for now I'm going to use Elmer's glue, and all I do is I put a little bit of this on a cotton ball. Actually, first, need to kind of brush up your brows. So you want to brush them up to make them as thin as possible. They're not going to necessarily stay, but this is just to help make them a little bit more thin and not as bushy. And then just pat this on there. Okay, now we want to go ahead and let this dry, but in the meantime, I'm going to decide on my white cream that I prefer to have on my face. So I use this a lot, Mayron Fantasy FX. This stuff can be a little bit expensive though, so if I'm just doing a look for myself like at home for no real reason, I don't use this. This is just the standard Halloween base that Anywhere sells. And then I use a brush like this, so it's a little bit chunky enough so that I can get like a really good coverage. I'm going to do an outline. I have a white eyeliner pencil to kind of just trace exactly where I'm going to have the eye position at. Alright, there we go. So those are drawn on. Oh, I did want to mention this also, this NYX pencil. I'm going to use this like around in the corners where it's a little bit harder. So what I'm going to do is take this and spray just a little bit in here to get this kind of activated. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a black liquid eyeliner. That black kind of helps act as a barrier. So I have my outline there, and I did forget to powder the white, so let me move that back up. Here we go. I use Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So this palette here, I'm using this white one called Death Blow. Now I'm all powdered up. Let's get into the red and go with a cream makeup. Now this paintbrush, or this, it's not a paintbrush, but this brush is a little bit more like a paintbrush style so that I can really get precision in between and around the lines. Let's go ahead and get started. we are starting to see it a little bit, right? Starting to get that vision. Right now, it's time to do the web. I'm going to go back to this liquid eyeliner, and this is going to be the best thing, and it's just about precision. So I'm going to start with my web line down the center, and then go from there, kind of cut out a little bit. Right, there we go. We are officially getting somewhere. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and we're going to outline this framework here. And we're going to do blue on the eyelids. The color that I'm using is out of this Urban Decay Electric palette. We're going to use this blue here. It's very important on this right here to shake off your brush and to pat. If you try to wipe, one, you're going to take up some of the white paint, and then two, you're going to get fallout, and that is going to be hell to clean up. And now I'm going to spray this down. So this is the MAC Fix Plus primer, and all I do is just spray it. I'm going to kind of let it dry a little bit. And this is going to give me a little bit, so I'll take my tissue here and just squeeze together so that it gives me a little bit firmer base for the bottom here. This is an Urban Decay eyeliner pencil, so I'm going to try this on my lips and see how that looks. The blue matches the eyeshadow perfect. I'm also going to take this and outline some underneath my eyelid. Alright, that is the final look. We're gonna say all done here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.